What is up, guys? Today we have another great product review here by a great brand called BabyBond. And today I was sent this great product here, which is a retractable gate, which in my house we have been thinking about this, so this was a blessing here. So right here I'm going to show you the box, BabyBond, and it is a pretty long box. I'm going to get to unboxing and show you, and what I like about this so far from not even unboxing it yet is that to install this gate you don't even have to drill in your walls. That's a plus right there. Also, I love that it comes in 3 different colors: white, gray, and black. I have the black version. So today I'm going to put this up, and I can't wait to keep I'm going to test it on my dog just to keep him out of a certain area. If you have toddlers, little children, you want to keep them out of a certain area, this should be a great product to keep them. And I love that you can operate this gate with one hand with a safety lock mechanism. I'm going to show you all that. It's enough talking. Let's get into the review. So straight out the box, I have this long black mesh and metal right here. This is the baby gate, and this will be how I install it with great parts. And we have a manual and a manufacturer's contact if you need any issues to resolve. So fairly easy when you get outside the box, and we'll be putting this together. So while unboxing this, I was actually having quite the fun by just playing this like a little harmonica. This is low-key, I like this. This is pretty cool so far. So I'm installing it currently, and I'll show you what I'm doing now. So now the easy part is, only thing we gotta do is put these hooks on 2 of the brackets. So these are the 2 components. So this is one of the hooks, and here is the other one that already comes pre-assembled. So you'll have 2 of these, 2 of each of these.